How you doing tonight? We got a story for you. All right, so this one. Oh, I'm retarded. All right, so this story is coming to us from our friends down under.
In Australia,
They come from a land down under.
and they eat that Vitamina Vegemin.
Yeah, Vegemite.
And everything that walks on that country there kills you.
Yes,
We did a
dangerous,
story on that.
dangerous shit in Australia. But this story tonight from Australia, unfortunately, does not involve any marsupials or any other type of animals.
Oh, box jellyfish?
No, this is just this silly woman.
Oh boy.
So this woman and her friends were like hiking and stuff, and they were in like a mountainous, outbacky sort of area.
What a blooming onion.
I'd love a blooming onion.
Blooming onion sounds
They're so good. Are they open right now?
What time is it?
12:30.
We got the SOL going on that one. Shit out of it.
Now you got me wanting a blooming onion. Now I'm gonna have to go to Outback tomorrow. Get a blooming onion.
I'm going too now.
I'm
I need me a blooming onion.
gonna be the loser there by myself during lunch, powerhouse and blooming onions.
You better give me a holler, man. They got the new sauce. I need to go check it out.
Anyway, so we're down in Australia, right? And friends are going hiking, having a good time, right? And this lady drops her cell phone in between, like they're walking on top of like this rocky area, and there's all these like boulders and rocks and everything, right? And well, that was kind of freaky.
Right? If you go like that, does it move? Look at that. Oh, you can move it. It's got that AI move. Go. That's better though. Oh, it's zooming back in here.
Yeah.
Whatever, man.
Damn you, Bill Gates. Anyway, so the lady's on her phone or taking pictures. Maybe she's playing little Angry Birds. I don't know what she's doing with her phone, but she drops her phone and it falls between her feet, and she's like standing on top of like some boulders and shit, right?
Oh no.
So the phone drops in between two boulders, and it's like down in a crevasse, if you will, in between the.
It's that crevasse again. We come across these crevasses in some of our stories now. That should be the magic word of the day.
They're out in the wild.
In the future, if you hear us say crevasse, we'll send you a ring.
Or just mention something in the comments about crevasses in this video, and give us your email, and we'll send you a ring.
Maybe if we're feeling generous because it's Christmas, we'll send you 2.
We're talking about actual rings with owls on them. They're kind of sweet. If you guys want a free ring, like seriously, just comment in the comment section.
I need a ring.
I'd like a free ring.
And I love crevasse.
And here's my email. Yeah, you gotta say I love crevasse.
And plus, you gotta like and subscribe also.
So anyway, this lady drops a phone in a 9-foot crevasse.
9 feet.
9 feet deep.
So the plot thickens.
I don't think she knew it was 9 feet. Like if you're standing on the top of two boulders and there's like a crack in between them, it's probably looking down. It's probably hard to judge exactly how deep
some good
it
aim
is.
though.
So she dropped it in between the two boulders. So she tried to get her phone, retrieve her phone from in between the two boulders.
Oh, I can see where this is going.
This lady got stuck upside down in between the two boulders trying to grab her phone. Upside down, wedged in between. There's a picture we can show.
I would have lost my damn mind.
Speaking of losing things, how did she lose her shoes? If you guys look at that picture, like I want to know why she's bare. I want to know why she's barefoot upside down and the shoes are like
Maybe
flung
up like
flung next to her. It said that her friends tried to get her out.
Oh, they probably threw the shoes.
And they were unable to get her out. So I'm wondering, so at that point when they're like, yeah, Sally, you're good and stuck. And then one of the friends is like, hey, I got an idea. Grab her shoes.
Oh, maybe they were expensive shoes, and the friends were like, well, fuck it, you ain't going to make it. We're just going to trade them in.
No, I was thinking, like, she's stuck. Now we can just tickle her feet as long as we want. She can't do shit. She's stuck upside down.
If I ever escaped that situation and somebody did that to me, there would be death.
Oh yeah. I'd be coming at them with a feather.
Yeah, that would be the end of that.
So, this lady was stuck upside down in between these two boulders for 7 hours.
Wait, 7 hours?
7 hours.
With the blood rushing to her head.
Some people
She's
have
probably walking around like this now.
some people have more space for the extra blood to rush to than others. This one sounded like she had some extra space. I don't know.
So, is she alive?
Yeah, she's fine.
Well, how fine could you be with all that blood in your head for 7 hours?
I don't know. She was upside down for 7 hours, and one of her friends eventually called the police.
Eventually.
I mean,
Are they procrastinating? What's going on?
well, I mean, if she, once the authorities got there, like police and ambulance and all that, the ambulance and all the workers and everything, it took them an hour to free her.
Y'all are some shitty ass friends. Let me tell you something. 7 hours that poor girl hung upside down with no shoes in a crevasse with no cell phone.
You know, like she was there for 6 hours before any like ambulance or cops or anything got there. Only because, not because it took them so long to get there, just because the friends never called no emergency number till 6 hours later.
What the hell?
They were trying to get her out. They tried several different things. They failed at every attempt.
Man, you should have dialed them 3 digits right off the bat. I'm just saying. Like, you should have been calling 911 real quick.
Or 119, whatever it is where you are. If your friend is upside down, stuck between a rock and a hard place,
With no shoes.
give a shout. I mean,
That's nuts.
the ambulance people, workers, and all that, like I'm guessing ambulance workers got a little different type of machinery in Australia than they do
got
here.
The jaws of life.
Well, get this. They got this woman free, and it took an hour to get her free. They moved an 1,100-pound boulder to free her.
Damn.
So they had some serious machinery, and I'm thinking, like, if that didn't go exactly as planned, and that thing just rolled back a little,
Clamshell.
you know, Wile E. Coyote
The
and shit.
Malachi Crunch is what they call that.
So,
I would have just called my brother Jimmy and be like, yo, bro, yo, push this shit.
but on some real shit though, it's good that she's okay, and it seems that other than a hurt ego, she only had like minor scrapes and bruises type thing. But like you said, you know, like being upside down for fucking
Did she ever get a phone back?
7 hours. Yeah.
Oh, at least it wasn't all for nothing.
I don't know if she got her shoes back, but she did get her phone.
She could call Saul Rosenthal for her shoes. Yeah, shoes.
I went to the top of the Empire State Building and I couldn't see so good in my shoes, they fell off.
Well, if you see a shoeless girl walking around Australia with a purple face, just put your shout out to her and say, I'm glad you're okay.
Hey, Boulder Girl!
But don't try to call her, because she ain't there. Night owls.
Hooty hoo.